In this video, we listed the 5 best USB-C Ethernet adapter on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. UGREEN CM648 Ethernet Adapter. The UGREEN USB Ethernet Adapter, CM648, delivers enhanced connectivity and high-speed performance for modern devices. Featuring a blazing fast transmission rate of up to 2,500 megabits per second, it ensures smooth data transfer for streaming, online gaming, video conferencing, and large file sharing. Designed with both USB-A and USB-C inputs, this versatile adapter is compatible with a wide range of laptops, PCs, and NAS servers. Its sleek and durable build makes it a reliable addition to any setup, while the RJ45 Ethernet output provides stable wired connections optimized for 10 Gigabit Ethernet networks. With minimal signal loss and a focus on consistent performance, the UGREEN CM648 is the perfect solution for users who demand reliability, speed, and seamless online experiences. Number 2. Vention CFQ Ethernet Adapter. The Vention 1000 megabits per second USB LAN adapter is a versatile and high-performance networking solution designed for users seeking a reliable wired connection. With support for transmission rates of 10, 100, 1000 Mbps, this adapter ensures stable and low-latency data transmission, making it ideal for downloading large files, streaming high-definition content, and online gaming without interruptions. Its dual USB-A and USB-C interfaces provide compatibility with a wide range of devices, including laptops, tablets, and even gaming consoles like the Xiaomi Switch. Built for durability, the adapter features multiple protection mechanisms such as overcurrent and short-circuit protection, along with an efficient heat dissipation system to maintain optimal performance. The compact design and stylish aluminum alloy shell enhance its portability, making it a perfect choice for both home and on-the-go use. Overall, the Vention USB LAN adapter is an excellent solution for anyone looking to enhance their network experience and eliminate the frustrations of unstable Wi-Fi connections. Number 3. Kebidu Wired Gigabit Ethernet Adapter. The Kebidu Wired Gigabit Ethernet Adapter is a high-performance networking solution designed to provide a fast and stable wired connection for various devices. Supporting data transfer speeds of up to 2,500 megabits per second, this USB 3.1 Type-C to RJ45 adapter is ideal for streaming, gaming, and professional applications, ensuring no signal delays or interruptions. Its compact and stylish aluminum alloy design not only enhances portability but also matches well with devices like the MacBook Pro. The adapter features plug-and-play functionality, making it easy to set up without the need for additional drivers or software. Compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, as well as numerous USB-C enabled devices, it offers versatility for users. Built-in LED indicators provide real-time feedback on power and network connectivity, making it user-friendly and efficient for both casual and professional use. Overall, the Kebidu Wired Gigabit Ethernet Adapter is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their internet experience with reliable wired connectivity. Number 4. UGREEN CM475 UGREEN USB-C Ethernet. The UGREEN CM475 USB Ethernet Adapter Hub is a versatile and high-speed networking solution designed for users needing reliable wired connectivity. Supporting transmission rates of 10, 100, 1000 Mbps, this adapter features a USB 3.0 interface with 3 additional USB 3.0 ports for expanded connectivity, allowing users to connect multiple devices such as keyboards, mice, and external drives. Its compact design, constructed from aluminum alloy and ABS materials, ensures durability and portability, making it suitable for both home and travel use. The adapter is compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, desktops, Xiaomi Mi Box, and Nintendo Switch, and supports various operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. With plug-and-play functionality for most systems and advanced features such as Wacom LAN and short-circuit protection, the UGREEN CM475 provides a stable and efficient network experience, making it ideal for online gaming, streaming, and professional use. Number 5. UGOURD Ethernet Adapter. The UGOURD Type-C multifunctional converter is a versatile and compact docking station designed to enhance connectivity and productivity for modern users. Measuring just 15 centimeters, this hub features multiple models, D81, S81, S101, that offer varying functionalities, including Gigabit RJ45 Ethernet for KHDMI output, USB 3.0 ports, and card readers for SD and TF cards. With support for USB 3.1, it delivers high-speed data transfer rates of up to 5 gigabits per second, making it ideal for quick file transfers and efficient device charging via the PD100W fast charge port. The sleek and lightweight design ensures portability, while the robust build quality guarantees durability under daily use. The inclusion of a 3.5mm headphone port allows for seamless audio connectivity, making this hub a perfect solution for professionals, gamers, and anyone looking to expand their device's capabilities without sacrificing style or performance. Overall, the UGOURD Type-C converter is an essential accessory for enhancing your workspace and connectivity options.